Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about not to 5G availability. So basically, for the few days, we can see the 5G is available in few location, a few circles in India, and few of the phones are already updated or already available with the 5G. So here we are going to talk about the Not 2 also, because Not 2 was initially was not updated with the 5G, but the company, the OnePlus has released the updated software OTA, and that is now enabled, and it is being incremental. So while I'll show you how to check that and update the further, and then access the 5G in your circle if you are in one of those circles. So basically, let's go to the settings, and then come to the about device, and then click on the update to date. Here, if you are not updated with the latest version, then it will show you the version DN2101-11-C dot 1010. But I have updated with the latest version, so it is showing C.11. And if I click on the about the version, what are the features is currently available, then you can see this what are these patching updates is available right now. That is the integrate the October 2022 Android security patch to enhance system security. That is the periodic one, which the OnePlus is regularly update each and every month. And the communication, if you look into the communication, then you can see Geo 5G network is now available, Airtel 5G network is now available, Vi 5G network is now available. Now if you are is one of these circle, then you can access this 5G. And to validate these, how can you check it? Let me show you that. If I go to the mobile network, come to the settings and then mobile network, then if you select the sim, I have Airtel sim in my the first sim, so I'll show you the preferred network type. Here you can see 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G and auto. Earlier it was showing only 4G, 3G, 2G. So now the 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G is this option is enabled, so you can directly select that, and you can start using it. And I just updated this software few minutes back, so I'll show you how that pop-up will come up. You should be able to see this like this update is available. Once you click on that update button, and this is the C.11 version. And once you start click on the download button, then it will start downloading and auto installed post that. It will ask you if you want to install it, then it will install, or else you can set up later timing based on your availability, and then you can update it. So this is the update which is OnePlus is releasing for Not 2 Oxygen OS 12.1, and the size is 808 MB, so it is quite high. So you need a high speed connection to do that. So I will suggest you to connect from a Wi-Fi connection instead of a mobile connection, because it is quite large file, so that you can do that. Once you complete that process, then you can check that option. You can go to the My Airtel app, and there is an option called 5G plus. You have an option called 5G plus. You can check whether 5G is available in your area or not. So get started. If you click on that, this app will check in your area whether 5G is already available, checking 5G, checking for 5G handset, and then software. So here it is showing red color actually, because the Airtel is yet to implement these features, because this already updated by the OnePlus, but they have not completed that process, so it is still showing red color. But actually 5G is available in this set, so you can start using it, because I'll show you a little bit of how it is working. Here it is showing 4G plus, if I start downloading or trying to, let's say, open some YouTube and start playing some videos and all, you can see the speed how it is it is buffering.
Need
Let
it in
me show
bits?
you
Just blink it. Download the Blink it app now.
you can see if you are in one of the, actually I am in Kolkata region, so it is available here. The 5G is available here, so
To be British.
I'll put that in a
Was
high
his
volume
Home Secretary
quality.
right to resign last week for a breach of security?
I will show you.
Hello, Minister. Well,
select.
Mr. Speaker, can I thank the Honourable
putting this
gentleman
is the
for his
highest
kind and indeed
120p.
generous welcome to the dispatch box. I
And
look
you can
forward
see the-
to Prime Minister's question time
notification
with
bar,
him,
you can
and I
see
know
the
that we will
speed.
have no doubt
The
robust
speed is
exchanges, but I hope that they can
continuously
also be serious and grown
And
up.
there
So
won't be any
I look forward to it.
buffering
Well,
But,
he asked
Airtel has
about
to
Home Secretary.
update
The Home
that.
Secretary made an error of judgment,
So
but she
you can-
recognised that. She raised the matter and she accepted her
don't see
mistake.
any buffering
And that's why.
So that's how the 5G is already available in this Note 2. And so that's all from this video. I don't want to make it very lengthy one, um, so you can start downloading that version and start using it if you are any of the circle which is defined by this Airtel and Jio. So you can use it for the Airtel 5G areas. I hope you already know that. Let me show you Airtel 5G circles. You can circle list. You can check if you are any of this circle. You can see that probably Airtel will publish that. So if you are any of these cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Siliguri, Nagpur and Varanasi, then you should be able to access this 5G. Here they have not mentioned the Kolkata, but still we are able to access the 5G in Kolkata. So officially it was not published, but we are able to see that it is working in some of the region. And for Geo, if you go to the location, I hope everyone knows that, but just for the information I am just publishing this one more time. These are the location Geo is publishing the 4G: Delhi, Varanasi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and recently they have introduced Chennai and Rajasthan places. So you have to click on this link, and then availability of 2G 5 network. If in your area your handset is compatible with Jio 2 5G network, then you will get the notification of an invitation, and then you can start using it. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone liked this video and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.